morning, so we are live, and just put up some music. Oh, yep, we just started, guys. So how are you guys doing? So last time, yesterday, we were building more things for the inside of the HFC. And today I think we'll be finishing it. Started on time today, that's good. Improvement. So yeah, yesterday we worked on this counter here, which I'm not a huge fan with. There's something wrong with the model here, as you can see. I'll be double checking the normals to see if they are all good. But we also built this paint machine and this counter with the soda thing, right? So today we'll be texturing all of this. So we can start by checking the I want to check the counter. No, not this counter. This one. So if we check the normals, there might be something wrong. No, there's not. Okay, I think I will reduce some of the mesh data that we have here. For example, we don't need all of this. This one we need. This one we don't need. Also here, we don't need these edges. One. I want to merge those edges. I think we can do that with the vertices. Yeah, I'm trying to improve these edges. Get a better looking. model. Sorry for that. Laters knees. Trying to dissolve these edges here because we don't need them. I can see some weird artifacts going on here. Yeah, as you can see here, for example. I think that's why this is behaving a bit strange in Unity. So now I'm trying to fix this. This one is fine. I want this edge and delete this one. And now we can connect these two. I'm trying not to. I'll try not to lose too much time on this, as I have so many other things to do on this model. But I want to at least fix the illumination that is going bad because of this, I think. Okay, I think now it's looking better. So yeah, most probably that was the reason why this extra geometry was the reason why the faces were not behaving correctly in the illumination. So as you can see here, there is like this strange thing going on here, and probably is due to this extra geometry. So now we have everything kind of fixed. Just pull this. Right here. I think I'll need to unwrap everything again. What? Something's not right. Okay, so it seems like my bot is working. So I have set up something to, you know, ping the Discord link every X minutes. I probably need to change that because it's every 15 minutes, I guess. It's probably too spammy. But yeah, we have a Discord link now. I think I'll mark the seams so then the material knows how to behave. The UV actually. Wrapping. I'm liking one. Okay, I'm liking some geometry here. The site. We're liking some. Wait a second. Yeah. Actually, don't need this vertex. These two right here. One as well. That's better. Yeah, our wrapping is not good. So let's help the food. Jesus. Okay. Okay, this face was wrong. I think now I'll be able to fix it. How did it get so wrong? Good. Yeah, now it's better. Normal's looking good as well. So it's just a matter of unwrapping it correctly. I'm doing something wrong here. Okay, there's duplication of mesh here as well. So if I just grab this one, put in wireframe. I think now I'll be able to better visualize what's going on. Yeah, there's extra geometry here. Was not aware of. I can just solve edges. Good, good. Now I think we have it sorted out. Nice. Okay, so now we just need to mark the rest of the edges seam. The logic I'm using to select the seam is whenever I have like a material change. I'm not sure this is the best way or the proper way to do it. But for example, the top part of the counter will have a different material than the rest. So then I'll mark a seam here. Oh, not sharp. Let's see. Looks like a spider. Or, I don't know, maybe a squid or something to rotate it. Let's try to use the Smart UV. Smart UV. There might still have something wrong going on, but I'm not sure what. Oh, I see. I see already. This should be marked as seam. This. And I think these ones as well. Here's not marked as seam because we had to regenerate this once. Now we can probably unwrap it again. Cool. What we want now is to select all these parts that should be gray ones. Also this one. And assign the metallic. Good. The rest will be base color. This will be base color, but we need to actually remove this selection. Put this maybe on top. this one on bottom, just to be able to color them properly. So I think there won't be any light data. Yeah, the light data is messed up now because it was generated with a loaded mesh. Oh, that's nice. It highlights the places on which the material is assigned. As you can see, everything is popping out except for this middle part here when you click it, and the opposite happens if you click the other one. Oh, so yeah, I'll need to regenerate the lightning again. Oh, there's a huge rainbow outside. It's really, like, you know, when it's really visible. I'll try to get a picture. I'm sure I'll be able to see it. No, cannot see it. There's a huge rainbow outside. Anyway, so we need to fix the paint machine now. So with the paint machine, I have left. Okay, there are two materials. Not sure how I'm going to do that now. So if we unwrap it, okay, there is this extra face that we want to leave it separate of the rest, and this will be like one material. This face will be the digital display. So we want to be able to have numbers displaying here, you know, it will be like the part on which the customer can see the price he's about to pay. I want to make that effect in game as well. The UV is good enough, so I think we will just export it like this. But I think I still want to divide this. Great. I don't think I should be baking the global illumination while changing the models. This probably messes up the lighting data. I think I want it to be specular and not metallic. And somewhat a bit smooth, like 0.6 should do. And now for display, I still need to think on how I'm going to do to display the numbers. I'll think on something. Could probably put like some Text Mesh Pro here. No, I'm not sure. I could see how Text Mesh Pro like renders the text and then use that. But for the display material, I want it to be like really specular. Maybe even transparent. And really smooth, like 0.9. There was one face that I wanted to, this one right here. I think I'll bring it here and increase its size. Because I want to be able to texture this one. Maybe I should make this a different material. Not too sure. I'm not too sure how to do this. I think I'm going to create her now, just to be able to create the texture I want. It seems like my machine is going to explode. Glitching a little bit. I think it's because of the baking. Cancel this. We are opening the Krita now. I already downloaded the images I want. I want like a small advertisement here, you know, with the price and everything. I want to keep the aspect. Okay. Just need to hold shift. You can see this is not fake at all, right? This is real food. I mean, every burger that I ate on a fast food place was exactly like this. No change whatsoever. It was perfect like this one. Soda. Fast food. I need to search for one that is unbranded, which will be really tricky. Perfect. This actually looks fine. I mean, like this. Nah. Better put it smaller and hidden. I don't know which font to use. Okay, this one looks really bad. So this is the one that we are going to use, definitely. So we want a yellowish color, just like mustard or something. Just need it a little bit bigger. So I want the background to be white. Okay. I wanted to have like a red round thing here. See if we can get one. Let's create a new layer. I want the interior to be red and the exterior to be yellow, I think. I think we can choose that here. So I want to have it like fully filled inside, and I want a sharp pencil. I think it's just better to change the pencil that I'm using. This one is not good. I think we want the sharpest one. See if we have some predefinitions here that are good. Honestly, the pencil is the best one, but yeah, this one is fine. Not fine now. It's fine. So we want the exterior to be yellow, not that big. And the interior will be red. I hope that even after we reduce the size of it, it is still readable. But I don't think it will. Let's test this. I don't want to save as WebP. So now we should be able to grab this. I want to put it like here, right? So for that, I think I'll need to create a texture. So I wanted to create a texture inside Blender, so then I could paste this right away. Like I could paste the image here and then fix it. Right, adjust its size. What I think I will do is I'll grab this face, then I will separate it. So this will be a different material. And then on this material, I'll create one. There will be adds material. I think it's inverted. So I will grab everything and rotate 180. So now I can export. I will join them together again. so wrong. So the digital display will be this one. Oh. Should be the black plastic. Oh. And then this will be the ads material. Texture. So now we just need to slap that image into the material. And bam. I think I know what's wrong here. So if we go to Blender, we can go back here. We can grab this face and we can put it slightly 0.01. So now if we export it, it should look a bit better. Oh, I know it. I know why it's like this. I think it's because of the lighting. So I think I'll clear baked data. Yeah, that's perfect. So we can revert back this last change that we did here on the model. Yeah, that's better. So we export it again, and we should have it working. I want to get rid of this white line here. Yeah, that's perfect. Let's see how it looks in game. You see that perfect animation? Yeah, I still need to fix that. Oh, looks good. I mean, I could get the numbers to be bigger. I could probably get rid of the meal deal part and leave only the price, and then that'll be more readable with our the pixelation effect, right? So I'll be doing that. Let's go back to Krita then. Only $6.99. I can hear like the guy from advertisement screaming that. I think it's too big. Come on, let me open this. Okay, got it. 180 maybe? Okay, so Krita will crash, nice. So, there's a problem. There's a problem with Krita whenever I use these fonts to write things. It messes up. Sometimes it crashes and all of that. I don't know why. But we should be back. We should be able to reopen this and fix it. I think it will crash again. Oh, it's here. Hey, Wardstone, how's it going, man? What are you up to? We got a new meal deal here, as you can see. Only $6.99, and you get this amazingly looking burger. No fake ads. What do you think? This is legit. And Krita will crash again. Krita can handle this meal deal, definitely. I don't know what's going on. Yeah, the meal deal is like $6.99. It's a good price, right? So yeah, but it's been a while since I don't play D&D. I started playing last year. I didn't know anything about it, uh, and I started to play. I started as a DM, and it was me, my partner, and two friends, and it was like our first time doing everything, right? So it was a bit hard for me because I never played, and I was the DM, right? So it was a bit tricky. Thanks, Wardstone. So yeah, I do my best, because I want a good experience for the players. I want the players to be able to play and know that it was made with like quality in mind. Not perfect, obviously, but they will be able to see the effort. If Krita only lets me do this. This is actually really good. This was a skill I could not train myself, which was like improvising, right? I had to prepare a lot way before the session, which was a bit overwhelming for me. But also the schedules were a bit tricky for everyone. Oh, thanks, Firestone. This is so nice. Thanks for those words. Yeah, I think we all are improving, right? Learning. I think making the streams is good as well to see other creators and to chat with other people. This is helping a lot as well. I think this is good enough. But thanks for those words. Um, I'm thinking on streaming every day in the morning. I was a bit. I did update the schedule on the stream itself, but last week I was like playing up a little bit with the times of the stream. But I think this one is the one that suits me the best. Um, but also I am planning to do a long stream on 18th of March. I'll be doing like a full time stream, from probably 7 a.m. to somewhere like 4 p.m. or something. So it'll be a long stream, my first long stream. Let's see how it goes. Um, by that time, I hope I'm able to get like the 50 followers, the affiliate title, because I want to do. I have some plans with channel points, right? I want to make like a game, an interactive game with that. I'm already working on that in the background when I'm not on stream, but I want to make like a cool game. Oh, really? So it's good. It's good to see that I help, even by being here. But yeah, I'm not artist either. This is like something that I'm. This is my first time like really experimenting with like 3D modeling and all of that stuff. And yeah, I learned a lot during the stream. Honestly, a lot, a lot. But it's really good. The Twitch community is like top tier. Cannot complain. Really? We could do some collab one day, maybe. You know, work on something together. Yeah, because I want the stream to be a cool place to chill. So people can hang out, talk, develop games. Honestly, you mean about the project? I think this fast food place is coming out good. Uh, I've been able to model faster, and I think I found the perfect, let's say, style I want to go for. That's good. That's good as well. So I think my 3D models are coming together. You know, they seem to fit a style and a theme, right? So they are all like working together real nice. This is something that I've been proud of. I'm being able to work correctly with materials, right? So as you can see here, this looks like a somewhat leather with some reflection, and this table is a bit different, right? More like a acrylics kind of thing. So it doesn't have too many reflection. So yeah, I think I'm learning a little bit by bit. Yeah, I think collabing would be great. Actually, if you have some idea of something that we could do together, we can plan ahead, and I'll be like excited to, you know, to work together. We can come up on a plan. Honestly, just hit my DM and let's talk about it. Thanks, buddy. Yeah. So the bus was like the first model that I made for the project, and I was still not sure what I was going with the style of the game. So if you see the tires of the bus, they're using like PBR. Um, Let me just go here. I'm using like a PBR kind of thing. So it's if you see it's like a oh my gosh. So it has like a high definition texture. It also has like height maps and all that kind of stuff. So this is not fitting well with the fast food place. So yeah, as you can see here, I was like basically experimenting, and here I think I found the looks. You know, this is way easier for me to do. I'll be able to learn a lot about modeling and UV, also creating the materials, the textures. I think this is the way to go, right? Otherwise, I'll like take 2 years developing a game if I wanted to go with this approach. So yeah, this is something that I've been proud of, honestly. I want to save this as PNG. But thanks, Swordstone. Thanks for the good words. It definitely gives more like energy to work on the project. Hey, Wasabi, how's it going? Hmm. What kind of research are you doing? Oh, it's looking good. It's looking good. Bro, I'm addicted to use this door. Feels good, you know. Okay, so I think we got this one sorted out. Intel UHD 600. I'm not aware of this one. Do you know similar models with this one? I mean, because I'm not, I don't know too much about like this Intel onboard, uh, like integrated graphics. There's also another one that I was checking because we are looking for uh, a new laptop for my partner, and most of the ones that we were looking that we are going away from the gaming laptop because they get expensive just by having like the gaming title on them. And there is this Intel Xe graphics or something like this, and Iris Xe graphics. So I have to do some research on this one as well. Low-end hardware. So it is GPU. Oh, cool. Oh, cool. Yeah. Definitely. Yeah. So, do you have a plan in mind? Like, why are you researching on that specific GPU? Do you want to do something with it? Like, do you have a specific project in mind? So now we probably need to work on this one right here. Yeah, that's super cool. So now we can go with I see, I see. So you're trying to understand your machine, right? That makes sense. This is good. That's good. Yeah, it's good. It's good to know what you're capable of with your own machine. Um, Mine is a good one. I have like a RTX 1650, which was good by the time that I bought it. Still does a pretty decent job for almost everything that I do, so it's perfect for me. But for example, the recent games, they are not uh, that good. For example, I cannot play Palworld. Not sure if it's not that well optimized, but I'm not being able to play it properly already. But yeah, like the modern game is probably I would like a little bit. It also helps to reach the college kid on a budget laptop who just has their little PC for classwork. Yeah. So, are you struggling on any subjects or any? What are you studying actually? I think I can add a bit more detail on this counter right here. Something like this. Can make some doors. Let me hide this. I want to make only 2 doors. Right. That's cool. That's really cool. Honestly, I'm a huge fan on parallelization. You know, like using multi-threading. I'm like crazy about this thing. You know, one of the my latest projects and learning experience was this 3D renderer that I created. So this was basically I'm studying a book which is computer graphics from scratch. I highly recommend this one. This is like basic computer graphics 101, and it guides you through the rendering process, right? So going from scene definition, so you have like a definition of the scene with data, for example, 3 spheres, their center, the radius, and then you put that on a screen. So I'll show you a little quick live running project. So this was basically what I was able to achieve, right? So you can change like the spheres place. It's on public, so I can send you guys. 1 second. Oh gosh. 1 second. But you can, it's like you can render spheres and they are like on a 3D space, right? This was a really good learning experience for me, but I was struggling because of the like doing all the math and all that kind of stuff on a single core that was killing performance, right? I mean, this is like millions of pixels, and you're calculating distance on each one of those. So I eventually tried to find a way on JavaScript itself to parallelize the processing, right? So yeah, all the code is here, so you can check everything. I am not sure I committed my multi-threading solution. I'm still not sure, but everything is here if you want to take a look. I think yes. I'm compartmentalizing the data and putting them on workers, which is like the multi-threading on JavaScript. I could not get like huge performance boost. I'm not sure why. But I'm not using WebGL or anything here. It's just like setting the pixels on a canvas component in HTML, so that's why it's bad. I'm planning to change that to use WebGL, which is basically like talking with the GPU itself. So then you have like infinite processing power, right? But yeah, I would totally recommend you to check out this this book. Like it has like the basic implementation of rendering. The contents are like they go over ray tracing, rasterization. So you have like two types of rendering processes, and they go like over everything. So you start with this basic shapes drawing, then you go add lightning, then reflection, all that kind of neat stuff. And you go from scratch, right? You go from like an array of data to that rendered scene. So it's really neat. Yeah, it's really cool. I would totally recommend it. Right now I'm trying to add a bit of detail on this chain counter. Who's the author? It's Gabriel Gambetta. It's a South American guy. It's from Uruguay. Oh shoot. I'm running out of space. You found it? Yeah, so this is one of the books. The guy's pretty smart. It's really good. It's a good buy. So my machine is complaining about low data. Let me just check one thing before we crash everything. Yeah, it definitely has low data. Dude, 1 TB nowadays is just nothing. Yeah, I bought one as well. So I have 1 TB, 1 TB SSD on my machine as well. But I mean, things just add up, you know. Especially Unity, because I used to have like multiple Unity versions installed, and each install is like uh, huge. Yeah, it's mostly because of Unity and probably a lot of shit that I have on like my downloads folder, all that kind of stuff. So it's probably poor memory management. It's my fault more than it is like device's fault, you know? I cannot blame the PC because of my mistakes. But I do it anyway. That's nice. So your 1 TB SSD is like external? I want the metallic matte on this one. Oh, that's nice. Okay, okay. So no, yeah, you're good. You're good. I have only 1 TB. I'm basically sitting on this right now. So I have like a 475 gigs on HD hard drive, and this one 1 TB SSD that I had to plug in. Yeah, that's a smart thing to steal from old machines. So yeah, I'm in a pretty bad position here. Kingston SSD drives. I don't think mine is from Kingston, but I'll check those out. I might need to switch my hard drive. I need to check if my machine like supports it. Because it has 2 slots and the second one supports SSD, but I'm not sure about the main one. The one that it came up with, you know. But if it does, then I'll probably buy like a 2 TB or something. It's good. It's good. Yeah, yeah. And if they have like 2 TB, then it will be perfect for me. The problem with me is that memory is never enough, because if I have more memory, I will do poor memory management. So I'll get out of memory real quick. So, you know, the more I have, the less I care. So we want... This is the kitchen counter. We need to divide by 3, like always. Yeah, I should do that as well. I think it's well positioned now. Could bring it a bit more to the side. Cool. So for me, it's 8:30 a.m. We have like still 30 minutes on the stream, and then I probably need to head to my 9 to 5. I'm working from home, so that's great. I just need to switch up the laptop. What time zone are you in? Oh, jeez. Where are you from? I'm in Europe right now, so that's why. There's the metallic. I need a glass holder, maybe. Oh, los Estados Unidos. Cool, cool. I was not aware that there was like that much time difference from like US. So you speak Spanish? Oh, that's cool. I'm originally from Brazil, so we um, speak Portuguese, but I live really close to Uruguay, where they speak Spanish. So I think I can comprehend a little bit of Spanish. But that's nice. That's nice. There's also the Wardstone. Wardstone is from Australia, I think. So he's ahead of us. Probably almost 24 hours from you. Yeah, I think for him it will be like 8 p.m. But from March 5th of March, you know, something like that. I think I'll leave the lightning baking, and I'm about to work on the soda machine. Now we need to think on we want it to look. Yeah, Australia is in the future. Yeah, 14 hours is too much. I'll do one thing so you guys can see what's my reference model. I'll add a new font. capture? No. This is basically what we want it to look like. Leave it here. So we have a reference image now, and you guys can see it. Of course, we don't want brand names, right? I think I'll need to hop out for a few minutes. I'll break. I definitely need a be right back screen soon. Yep, be right back. I think I need 5 minutes, that's all. So yep, back. Cool. So let's try to get this done. Moon slept. That's that's actually smart, bro. Okay, I already stole your idea. Okay, if you're good with it. Stealing ideas. It's here. Your idea is now our idea. No, just kidding, it's your idea. Let me just leave it here. Bro, I love the Aura Maid. Professor Salt. Cool, it's here. So yeah, now we need to... you have like... You gave me 6 names. And we have only 4 slots. So let's pick the best ones. Open source version of the brands. Yeah, you're right. So I think I'll go with the Aura Maid. The Aura Maid is pretty good. The Dr. Pepper is amazing. I mean, the Professor Salt. Sorry. Vanilla Cola is good as well, and Moon Slept. Those are the 4 chosen ones. Cool. So now, let's start with... Exactly. You can get some money with those, bro. So now, here we want to create, I think 4 materials. Unless... Okay, I have an idea. So we are going to create 1 material only for those. That will be the labels. I'll assign it to it. And then I need to UV unwrap those. Cool. So now we have to build the images and build them on a... Like... What? Okay. Anyway. So we need to build a texture with 4 of them here. How can we replicate Coca-Cola's brand? Okay, I just found the... vanilla cola. Like the font, okay. No effects. Oh, the color. Let's make it white. Okay, I got it. So I found a place where you can generate like words from. You see? So we can use the font from the real trademark and then we can just do our thing with it. Cool. Now we need to slap that on the texture. So first thing we want is, let's create a new one. So, no. Okay. What's the size of this one? I know how I can discover that. 1080, 1080. So let's do one new one. Great. So we actually don't want 1080. I want it to be a bit less. Let's divide by 2. So the background will be we try to pick up the real brand color. It's not copying if I'm changing it, right? What do you think? Huh? New brand of soda. I just need to make it bigger. Let me check if I can do something here. Font size. Oh, I can increase the font size. I want 130. Effect. Transparent outline would be good. Okay, I think I got a better one. It will look better, I think. No. This one is okay. Yeah, I'm just trying a few different things here. I'll get rid of these two. one is the newest one? This one. How do you feel seeing our brand like coming to life? A real entrepreneur, you know? Punk rock drive. Let me get some bubbles. We need bubbles. It's too flat. This is just perfect. Whoops. No, no, no. Okay. What do you think? Great, right? Like those soda bubbles. I think it's done. I could make this larger. Okay. Sounds good. So just like we can rotate this. Let me show a cool trick here. We are going to rotate this. How can I rotate this? Ah, you're right. That'll make it look better. Yeah. I think 60 is good. Yeah, that's way better. Otherwise, like, it will conflict with the letters, right? So now we can rotate this. So yeah, now I want to rotate this image. Oh, Control P? Oh, it's this one, right? Whoops. No. we can hide this too. We get new bubbles, and then we just change the font and we make the next one. So which one is the next one on our list? Is the Professor Salt. Amazing. Let me just copy the image. We slap it here just to be able to grab the color. We get the color. We remove this. Where's the bucket tool? Almost done. We just need the Dr. Pepper now. Yeah, Wardstone was saying how much he appreciates the amount of effort I'm putting in this work to look good, and now I'm just copying and rotating things so they don't look the same. If he's here, he's probably crying right now. Okay, so I just need to generate a font. Oh, it even generated with the background color. Oh no. It has like the generated by, you know, thing. Yeah, I don't think my strategy will work on this one. Let's try to use another website. Oh, you're right. For some reason it generated wrong. I'm doing free ads for Dr. Peppers right now. It was in preview here. Okay, I think I got it. No, it's not. I went without the Let me check if I can use the same website as the one I use for the Coca-Cola. Come on. No. I mean, I have the font. Let me see if it's there. I have the font here, so I can probably import that in Krita. Yeah, it's 9 AM. I might need to hop into my work. I'm just going to finish this one real quick. And then I will probably raid someone. Yeah, I'll need to learn how to import fonts. Yeah, I'm not sure how to do this. Yeah, probably do that later then. So yeah, thanks guys for staying. If you're not following, please consider following, as we want to get to the 50 followers mark to get channel points. I have some ideas and plans on how to use those. I want to get some interactivity done. So yeah, thanks for tuning in, thanks for the chat. Tomorrow we are again here. And right now let me find someone to raid. It will be probably Megatron. Beaks is also streaming. I think I'll be raiding Beaks. So yeah, tomorrow we'll be here at the same time. And on 18th of March we'll have a long stream. I'll put that on the schedule. So we have like 8 hours of stream or something. Because it's a holiday here, so I'll be able to stream for longer. Cool. Thanks for hanging out. Thanks for the chat. You guys are awesome. See you. Peace.